What is up, family? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk briefly about just should we get run flat tires or regular tires on our BMWs? What do you think? So let me know what you think in the comments below. Just put like run flat or regular tires. Here's my take on it, and I'm sharing this because I literally just experienced something today that the light bulb came up, and I'm like, wow, thank God that I chose this route, or better off, thank God that I had this. And I think you know where I'm going with this. So my tires are run flats currently. I got them out of the dealership with run flats, and I know this whole mindset on the forums and everywhere, and our N20 group, which you should definitely join. If you don't have access to it, click the link in my description and join our N20 network. Get on there. The run flats are frowned upon because they're heavy, and I totally get it. But for racing spec, to be ready for racing, to get good times, you want to go lighter, obviously, because you want the fastest time and you want as minimal weight as possible. But for a lot of you like me, this is my daily. Here's my experience. When I got to work, I believe that's when the puncture of my tire happened. I think that's when my tire got punctured. It was about this much of a diameter, about 2 inches of a slit near the rim. Unrepairable. There's no way you can repair it. And I didn't catch it. And I know that this happened in the morning because when I got to work, I did 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever. And then I took my friends in my car and I drove out to this restaurant nearby. And when I got to the restaurant, I heard a loud hiss, like super loud, and it was my tire. And I noticed a slit. I checked the tire pressure and it was already at like 28 out of 32. There's no way my run flat tire could go from 32 a couple of miles down to 28 and like those 2 miles. There's just no way, right? So I believe that in the morning it got punctured. It made it all morning just sitting there letting air out to the restaurant with my 3 friends, more weight, heading down back to work to drop them off, and then from there to my nearest tire shop, and I was still at like almost 17 psi of tire air available. Run flats are useful if you are running a daily car. Gotta tell you this because honestly, it will save you. If I didn't have run flats, my friends and I would have been stranded at that restaurant with the bad tire, the headache of waiting for my tow truck to come through. If I didn't have insurance, I would have to pay for a tow truck. I would have to find a tire shop, and then hopefully that tire shop has the run flat available. I literally drove myself to the tire shop, and in 2 hours I had a brand new run flat. Look, if you have a daily, consider a run flat. Honestly, you probably won't even feel the gas consumption difference. You won't. If you're looking to race, yeah, get rid of those run flats, save them for your daily driving, and swap out the lighter tires. That's my advice. That's what I think. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'll catch you next week. I'll see you, fam.